Let's animate a flaming sword. I've animated the stickman with the sword. I'll show you how to animate the fire. Create a new layer for the base fire animation. To animate good fire effect, animate the base fire first, add other layers after, and don't forget to add glow to the flames. We'll animate small crackling flames at the frame where the stickman starts to raise up the sword. These don't need an exact shape and should be animated in once. When that's done, for the swing we animate the big trailing flame. For the flame, we'll start from the former position of the sword. Turn on the onions to help with this. Since it's fire, you will get a smoother animation when you animate it on once. We're using orange for the base color because it makes the fire look nicer. We're also animating the bigger flames on ones because it makes it smoother. Note the way the big flames are drawn. You could draw yours similarly too. After that's finished, let's animate some fading flames. The big flames sort of transition into these ones, so they can be drawn from the onion of the big flames. Seems we finished with the base fire. Let's add another layer for the second color of the fire. On the new layer, choose a brighter color for the fire and animate it over the base fire. I'll just draw them in places they look good. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, even your neighbor's cat. Seems we're done with the animation, turn on the glow option for the base layer. Tweak the settings to get the desired flame glow. After that is done, we have our animation ready.